Welcome to another episode of Friend Outdoors.
On today's episode, it's the opening day of our rifle season, and Angie and I are going in for our first evening sit of the season. I take Angie to a tree stand where I'd hunted last night and saw a decent 8-point, but I've got several other nice bucks on camera in this area. We're just hoping that one of these bucks will show up and give one of us an opportunity at filling our tag in this rifle season. As we leave the buggy and Angie makes her way to her tree stand for the first evening sit of the opening of our gun season. I had gotten several good bucks on camera in this area during bow season, and just the night before saw a pretty good 8-point in the area, so Angie's anticipation was running high. A few does were the first to show up on this evening's hunt. As Angie sat and watched a few squirrels and some birds in the area, she was somewhat surprised as this buck snuck in on her. I'd got pictures and videos of this buck all throughout the early bow season, but I'd only seen him one time on the hoof, and that was very briefly. Angie had decided to give this buck a pass as he worked around behind her tree stand. Eventually, she said he bedded down with two does about 25 yards from her stand. It's the opening day of our gun season here. I'm sitting on the edge of this big field. I put my wife Angie in the tree stand I was in last night. Had 5 does and a decent 8-point come in there. So I sure hope she gets a crack at him. I saw a small buck here this morning, about a 4-point, maybe a 6 if he had browse. And I saw a doe, one turkey. It was very slow. I haven't heard as much shooting, which is good. I really hope the bucks make it. Again, there's a few nice ones around if I can just see them, get an opportunity. But if we have any action, we'll bring it to you. So good luck to everybody out there and stick with us. As it got closer to dark, with the storm front approaching, the wind began to pick up, but this young buck appeared across the field, and I watched him for a while. As I video this young buck across the field, I'm constantly scanning to see if any more deer are coming out anywhere else into the field. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. It's the first day of gun season here. As you can hear, it's a little windy. I've seen 6 deer total so far. I've seen 4 does way over there, and it looked like a nice buck. He was chasing them. They went the other way, and then I heard a shot. And then I just filmed this one across the field here. Looked like maybe a 4 or 6 point. I know Angie had a 9 point in order tonight. I know she filmed some of it, so we'll be bringing that to you. There's still a little bit of time, probably 10 minutes or so. If anything big shows up, we'll bring it to you and show you. We want to thank you for watching today's episode. We really appreciate your time and your support. On this channel, we got a lot of short videos, 15 seconds, a lot of different animals. If you get some time, check it out. We really think you'll like it. We want to thank our military personnel. Thank you for your service. Now for a preview of an upcoming episode on Friend Outdoor Adventures.